Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and I am here today to do a review of some swatches of some Born Pretty Store gel polishes that I have here. One of them is from a You Are Sugar polish, but as you know, this you can purchase from Born Pretty Store as well. So these are a very popular line right now, guys. So this is what I have on my nails, and I will have later a tutorial on how I did these nails as well, okay? So two of these are magnetic. One of them, this one, Your Sugar, is a color changing or thermal, and the other one is more of the pearlescent. So what I'm going to do, let me go ahead and show you. Let me start out with this one here. It's called, and I'll have all the links down in the description bar below, as well as my discount code IDUK31, where you can get a 10% discount. So this one here is called the Aurora Snowlight Cat Eye Gel. This one is my most favorite, guys. Let me show it to you. And okay, so this is the one that I have on my nails. So this is the one that, check it out. Okay, well, I don't know if it's coming out on camera, but because when you first open it up, and it just looks like just a beautiful glitter silver polish is what it looks like off the bottle, okay? But it has the iridescent, the Aurora Borealis finish to it. You know, when you see the pinks coming through, pinks and purples. And see, I'm looking on my nail. And it is the cat eye, so you can do any effect with whichever. Let me pull out my magnet. So any of the magnets that you have to do whatever kind of effect that you want. If you want the straight line or the more curves, or use the two magnets to create that that hole. Let me turn off this light. So yeah, I think that's better. So that's what this one is. Like I said, it is my favorite. Because so between the two, and the reason I'm saying favorite already, and this isn't comparing it to this other one that I have, is not, okay, not this one yet, but this one is the other cat eye gel that is just, when you first, I mean, when you look them side by side, you can barely tell the difference. So the only difference between this one is this one right here is just a silver cat eye. There's no Aurora Borealis finish to it, no pearlescent, no pinks, just plain silver, okay? And this one is, well, I know I cut off the, I will have it, there it is, hopefully you can read it. I know this label was actually, this one came in the box, and when I opened it, it tore the label, but I'll have both of these linked down in the description bar below. So these two are very, very similar. When you open them up, you can't barely tell the difference. The difference is one has the Aurora Borealis finish, which is that pink finish, which is what I have on my nails. The other one is just the silver, and I will demonstrate both. We'll do the swatches. This one is very different. It's not a cat eye at all. This one, what it does is it gives you, it's a pearlescent. Look at that beautiful unicorn finish. Hopefully this pink shimmer is coming through. So this one is a metallic. It's a metallic gel, so it's not magnetic. This one you can use by itself for a nice sheer look, that unicorn sheer look, or you can put it over solid colors for a nice pearlescent finish. And then last but not least, this one, Your Sugar, is a color thermal with holographic glitter. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so right now as you're looking at it, it's black. So it's black. I'm going to guess in the cold state, because when I pull these out of the mailbox and I open this up, it was silver. So my guess is it turns silver when it's hot and black when it's cold. Check it out. Oh my gosh. We will swatch this one, okay? So yeah, this one is the thermal color changing UR014, and again, the link down in the description bar below. So what I'm going to do, let me go ahead, and I have some, what I've done here in a color wheel, I've done different effects with different options on how I've used these polishes. But let me do some quick swatches for you guys, so you guys can see how they work and see how you can check out the formula. Then I talked about the swatches, and then I'll leave you at the end with the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so let's talk about our swatches here now. This is immediately out of the lamp. This is the thermal one. So as you can see, yes, with heat it turns silver transparent. Absolutely gorgeous. I love how it goes from the black to the silver. So this is the Your Sugar, as you can see, and it has the holographic glitters. This is 2 coats, no top coat. Okay, now let me show you the other ones. This one right here, I use the Aurora Snowlight over this pink gel. Absolutely beautiful. And then this one, and I'll have other layers for you to show you. So this is the silver one. This one, I forgot the name of it. Okay, so I don't have the name on the label. There's just code numbers, but it's just the silver cat eye, as you can see. This one doesn't have the pearl effect. It's just silver with the cat eye. And then this one, I'm not, hopefully by the time I load this video you can see. So this one has a pearlescent, okay, it just switches from pinks in there. Is that unicorn finish. Hopefully it's coming out. But so what I have on my nails, I have this color as a base. I have a gel overlay on my nails. I have this as the base, and then I put the Aurora Snowlight over it. There you can see with the cat eye, and then the little detail is the chrome. On the edges is the chrome gold powder, also from Born Pretty Store. You'll see that on my video. So I did it on my thumb, and you'll see me. I know it's, so you know those chrome powders, especially, okay, so the gold, to really appreciate the finish, the gold finish on the chrome powder, you would put it over a black. So obviously this is a white, so that's why it came out very subtle like that. It's so pretty, very delicate. And after I did these, I didn't mean to do, I guess, like somewhat of a bridal. They can make a very pretty bridal set. And this one for my accent nail, so I did the tip as a, so it's curved on the side, and then I also did it against the cuticle here. Hopefully you can see that. I will insert some pictures at the end. So here are the swatches for all 4 of these. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let me show you the different layers. Okay, so let me start out with, this is the Aurora Snowlight over the gray. Hopefully you can see the pink shimmers. Here it is again over the pink, and I just used this straight magnet to create the cat eye, the traditional cat eye. And then here it is over just this white tip with no color underneath. Okay, and I did use the round magnet. Hopefully you can see the effect there. Then this one is the silver cat eye, just plain silver over gray with the line, the straight magnet for the cat eye finish. Very shimmery. And here it is over pink. Very pretty. So the difference between, see this one, you just see it silver, and then this one, hopefully you can see, let's see, I'll try to do the 2 colors. See these 2. This one's the silver, this one's the Aurora. So it adds, this one added more pink to that pink base. Then here it is the silver again, just over white, the white tip, no color underneath. Sorry, I'm having a hard time staying in frame here because my lens is upside down to me. And then here is the, what was that one called? The Pearlescent one over gray. See, it just added, it's not magnetic. It just added that nice pearl luster over the gray, and here it is over pink. Very beautiful. And these 2 samples right here, this is what I did on my nails. This is the Aurora and the silver over the Pearlescent. As simple as that. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will go ahead and leave you with a quick tutorial on how I did these nails, and I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these gorgeous gel polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.